Let us take a deep dive into the 5 stocks of Part 1. In total, we have 5 parts for a total of 19 stocks that we will review. Today, we will pick stock number 1 on the list. The stocks are ranked purely on the stock price prevailing at the moment, and not on any other factor. Top AI stocks. Let us view them weekly. Look at the deep dive onto 5 stocks of Part 1. The company ServiceNow Inc. Now, ServiceNow is a cloud computing company that offers a platform for digital workflow and IT service management. Their solutions help organizations streamline and automate their business processes. ServiceNow Inc. A look at the ServiceNow Inc., and later we look at how much one can invest using 2 methods. Here are some of the landmark achievements of ServiceNow in bullet point form. 1. ServiceNow was founded in 2004 and has since become a leading provider of cloud-based platform solutions for digital workflow and IT service management. 2. The company has received numerous industry accolades, including being recognized as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for IT service management tools and Forrester's Wave for enterprise service management. 3. ServiceNow has played a significant role in transforming IT service management, ITSM practices, helping organizations streamline their IT operations and improve service delivery. 4. The company's platform has enabled businesses to automate and digitize their workflows, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. 5. ServiceNow solutions go beyond ITSM and encompass various departments and processes within an organization, including HR, customer service, security operations, and more. 6. ServiceNow's Now platform provides a low-code development environment that allows customers to build custom applications and integrations tailored to their specific needs. 7. The company has a strong focus on innovation, regularly releasing new features and capabilities to enhance its platform and meet evolving customer demands. 8. ServiceNow has a large and diverse customer base, ranging from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies across various industries. 9. ServiceNow has been recognized for its commitment to sustainability and corporate social responsibility, including efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace. These are just a few highlights of ServiceNow's achievements, showcasing its impact on digital workflow management and IT service delivery within organizations. ServiceNow Inc. Financials. ServiceNow Inc. Now. Market value. $123.95 billion R&D expenditure. $668.6 million. Net assets, $10.99 billion. ServiceNow Inc. Now let us get on a journey on the assumption that one is investing in the stock and another person invests in options. Let me share some definitions of options. The most common types are call and put options. Here are simple definitions of call and put options. 1. Call option. A call option is a financial contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to purchase an underlying asset, such as stocks, commodities, or currencies, at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, within a specified period of time. Call options are typically used by investors who expect the price of the underlying asset to rise. If the price of the asset exceeds the strike price before the expiration of the option, the buyer can exercise the call option and buy the asset at the predetermined price, potentially profiting from the price difference. 2. Put option. A put option is a financial contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price, strike price, within a specified period of time. Put options are commonly used by investors who anticipate that the price of the underlying asset will decrease. If the price of the asset falls below the strike price before the option expires, the buyer can exercise the put option and sell the asset at the predetermined price, potentially profiting from the price decline. Both call and put options provide investors with flexibility and the potential for gains in different market conditions, and they carry risks. 2 investing styles: options and outright purchase. Purchase of options and shares. One call option, as described above, gives you the right but not the obligation to purchase 100 shares of the underlying stock. In this case, ServiceNow Inc. Stock ticker option, NOW. Stock purchase of 100 shares. Stock option to purchase one option, which controls 100 shares. Option to control 100 shares of the 21st of June 2024 at a target price of $570. We set this table out and we welcome you to see the progress, as we will be updating it weekly to see the progress. We invite you. Next week we look at how this has performed and also another stock with a lower price that is a less expensive alternative. Bye for now. Please like this video. Thanks for watching.